Bobby. Baby girl, let the ice spray. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl A, and I'm back with another video today. First, I gotta fix this lip color that I really shouldn't have chose. But anyway, so let's get into this video. One of my favorite wig companies in the entire whole wide world is Myfirstwig. Girl, you know, if you get a wig from them or their sister company, you are definitely going to be able to flex on them. Like when you wear a wig, you should do it big. I'm just saying. So while I cut this off, I'm gonna show you guys how your wigs come.
Baby girl, let the ice spray. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her call me, she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you can shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. Do it back and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. Oh, no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in.
I wanted to point out some things on Myfirstwig's website. They have the 2-in-1 wet and wavy, as well as they have afterpay, so you can pay for your product as you wear it. They also have their new lacewig glue, which also can be purchased as a set with the remover. This glue is amazing. I'm going to show you guys a quick demo, but besides that, this is like a one-stop shop where you can get many different hair care products for your wig needs. So definitely check them out. I will link everything in the description box below. And on that note, let's get into this video. To installing your wig, you want to make sure that your hairline is clean. Whether you're gluing it, hairspraying it, or what have you, you always want to make sure there's no kind of oils, dirt, debris, makeup, or what have you. Now this is their new lace wig glue. Now y'all know me, I love hairspray, but I just wanted to show you guys a quick demo on the back of my hand. Now it does state to use at least 3 to 5 layers. This is just one layer. I'm just going to smooth it in with my little comb right here. Now as you see, it is a white substance color and it does dry super fast. Now as you see, it's just drying right here on the back of my hand, and it will dry to a clear coat. So when you're using this particular product, you want to allow it to dry and get tacky prior to using another layer, and also prior to applying your lace wig. I think like this is a really good product for those who want glue. It does remove nicely, but it also is a really strong hold. But your girl's going to use the Instant Freeze. Okay, this is one of my favorite hairsprays. I love this. I don't plan on wearing the wig for days, so I think for me, wearing it with hairspray is just more suitable, but it's to each his own preference. Now, like I was saying, you can definitely flex in a Myfirstwig wig girl, okay? Do y'all see this hairline? Do y'all see this melts, okay? It ain't even started yet, but do you see the lace, okay? Swiss tinted lace, okay, which gives you the most natural, realistic look. And as you guys see, there is no hairs coming out as I'm brushing through, as well as just using my fingers. Now, for this unit, I didn't do a daggone thing, honey. I didn't pluck it. I didn't bleach it. This is just straight out of the box, okay? This unit is called the Alexis, and it is a Malaysian unit. You can get it in different lengths, as well as the densities. But with the Myfirstwig wig, y'all, you don't have to do anything. You definitely do not have to use the ball cap method. Now, I know a lot of people do prefer to try the ball cap method. They feel like they'll get the most natural look by wearing a stocking stocking cap hairsprayed or glued to their head. That's not the case with any wig from Myfirstwig. You do not have to do any type of ball cap method. You don't even have to wear a stocking cap. As you guys noticed, I did not wear a stocking cap. The only thing that I do have on is my rubber latex wig grip band, which is also available at Myfirstwig. I do prefer their wig grip latex band because it's not as thick, it's more breathable, it has holes in it, and it's definitely a skin-like tone color. Now, as you guys see with this lace, it is nicely made, nicely transparent. Girl, you don't even need no baby hairs with this unit. There's nothing to hide. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Now, like I was saying, I really do prefer to use hairspray for my units, and that's what I'm going to be using, which is one of my favorite trusty old Aussie Instant Freeze. This hairspray is available at any local store such as Target, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Amazon, what have you. But I have been using this for so many years, and it's very affordable. It's about $4 a can. This also will give you a super duper great hold. I will allow this to dry within about a minute, and then I will spray another barrier on. As you can see, it does get very tacky, and the hold is amazing. Do you see that? Do you see that? Okay, so it's definitely your preference as to what you want to wear when you are applying your wig. Like I said, you don't need any baby hairs, and you definitely don't need a stocking cap with this. Why do all the work with doing the ball cap method when you can just get you a wig from Myfirstwig, girl, and flex on them, baby? Yes, flex on them. When you're wearing a Myfirstwig, girl, you definitely gonna be flexing. I'm just saying, okay? Now, as you see, I'm just taking my comb and I'm just pressing the lace into the hairspray. And when I do miss certain spots, like how I'm lifting it up here, I just take a little bit and spray it on the tail end of my comb. And then I just go ahead, girl, and press in. So it's just that simple. Now, once you're finished and you have noticed, like you may see a little bit of hairspray overlapping or past the wig line, make sure you clean that up. You can use a baby wipe, you can use an alcohol wipe, you can use whatever tickles your fancy, but just make sure that you clean that area up. And do you see the hairline on this? Look at this. This is amazing. Looks like scalpage, girl. Okay. Looks like scalpage. Now, y'all know I always need me a sideburn, honey. I need some sideburn hairs. Can't wear a wig without sideburn hairs. Girl, I can't even wear my own hair without sideburn hairs. So I'm just going to take a corner of each end by my ear, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut off a decent amount so that way I can have. Do you see those edges? Do you see that hairline, girl? Natural as can be without any work. No work was done. No hairs were harmed. No hairs were plucked. Baby, this is a flex for real. This is definitely a flex. I'm just going to go ahead for the sideburn hairs. And at first I was going to use my scissors, but I decided to use my razor to cut the edges. And just to hold down my sideburns, I'm just going to use the 𝐷𝐶𝐵 Fantastic Styling Mousse. You can use whatever you like, whatever is in your cabinet, whatever you prefer. And just to tame the edges, like make sure there's no flyaways, I'm going to also be using the 𝐰𝐢𝐵 Luxury brand Absolute Styling Mousse by the Janet Collection. These edges are amazing. This hairline looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks so natural and realistic. You will forget you're wearing a wig, honey. And that's what I like, a good wig where you don't have to do anything. So if you are a newbie, you don't know how to pluck a wig, you don't know how to bleach a wig, honey, get you a Myfirstwig. And now right there in the middle where you see the lighter spot, that's actually my wig grip band. Like I said, it already comes bleached for you, already comes pre-plucked for you. All you have to do, girl, is cut the lace off and put it on. And look how nice and meltable that is. This is definitely a flex. As well as hair accessories, hair care products, they also carry their own elastic band, which I think is super cute because it has their name written all over it. So tie that bad boy around and get to styling and profiling, girl. Flex on them, flex, girl, flex. Hunties, yes. This is a beautiful wig. It is 20 inches. I believe the density is 130%, but you can definitely customize these. And as you see, no hair has been removed. No hair has fallen out. No wig harm. And now y'all know I don't do a lot of middle parts, but I thought that this would be great for a middle part because I really wanted to show you guys how well it looks at the hairline. Now this is the side where I do need to clean up a little bit of that hairspray, but other than that, it came out amazing. I didn't have to do any work. Girl, there's no baby hairs, okay? Ain't no ball cap method, and that hairspray, honey, is definitely holding it down. So if you don't believe me, try out Aussie Instant Freeze, but definitely give Myfirstwig a try. They got some amazing units, honey. Very natural looking. You can also try their sister company, girl, and definitely flex on them. Like, look, hold your hair up high, honey, and show them edges, okay? Slow-mo for you, okay? Very neatly done and nicely parted. Nicely parting. So I'll definitely link everything down below for you guys. I love you. Stay diva and divalicious. Bye.